What's going on? Today we're gonna make a ground cover inspired Tsuno bag. So here's our fabric. It's a nice neutral color. You can pretty much make this pattern however you like. This is just something simple for me. So it is one long piece of fabric. It's folded right there. I have it pinned on each corner to kind of keep my fabric nice and straight. Let's get to cutting. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like after I cut it. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is just sew the side. This is one complete piece.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide.
So we got the first side finished. I'm gonna go back in and do a zigzag stitch because I don't want the bag to unravel or anything or fall apart while I'm carrying stuff. I might have my laptop in there, camera, what have you. There you have a nice little zigzag to lock it in. Now we're just gonna do the same thing to the other side, straight stitch and a zigzag. Fold this little edge over because I don't want the raw edges to be peeling. Just gonna fold that over, do a little straight stitch, and then we're done. If you made it this far, do me a quick favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video, man. We out.